Welcome to Home of Math. Number 4, Chapter 1, Set Language and Notation. Question: use the set notation to list the members of the following sets. Number A. Here is A is a set X such that X by 2 element of n and X is a factor of 36. So here is some key point. First, what does mean X by 2 element of n? It means the number should natural and even, because once you number divide by 2 and there are no fraction, it means it's a even number. Suppose 2 by 2 or 4 by 2 or 6 by 2, it's a natural and even number. So now we can write like this: 36. X is a factor of 36. So 36, once we factorize, we can write 1 times 36, right? Then 2 times 18, okay? Then 3 times 12, okay? So again we can write 4 times 9, right? This is also factorization of 36. And finally we get 6 times 6, also 36. So 36 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, then 36. So we have to find out the set A. So A equals to what? Here is only we take even natural number. It means 2, 4, 6, 12, 18 and 36, and this is our answer. I hope you clear everything. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments box. Number B. Here is a set B, M such that m element of z, it means integer, and m square less than 20. So number B, m is a element of z, it means integer, okay? So what does means integer? If you think like this, 0, here is -1, -2, -3 and up to infinity, and here is +1, +2, +3 up to infinity. All numbers are integer but no fraction, okay? So just whole number. So m equals to ±4, ±3, ±2, +(-1), then 0, okay? How? Why like this? Because since, look, since m square equals to 25, which exceeds 20, right? Because ±4 square, it means 16, which is less than 20, right? So our set equals to, so set B equals to what? -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And this is our answer. Number C is very interesting and also little bit complex. C is a set where P such that P is an odd number and P is the number of factors of an integer smaller than 150. We have to find out that kinds of number which is less than 150, but that number we have to find out the factor and which is also odd. Look, I have to clear something. Suppose 9, where we can divide by 1, we can divide by 3 and we can divide by 9. So 9 has 3 factors which is odd. But if we consider 20, so 20 we can divide by 1, we can divide by 2, we can divide by 4, we can divide by 5, we can divide by 10, we can divide by 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 which is even. And we have to know a small notation or note which is only, look, only perfect square, only perfect square have an odd number of factor. You can check this one. So below 150 which is less than 150, find out the number of factors of each. Suppose 1 has 1 factor. Then next perfect square is 4. 4 has 3 factor. How? Look, this is 4. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 4. So look, 4 has 3 factor. Why? Because 1 times 4, 2 times 2 and 4 times 1. So it means 3 factor. So similar, next, what is the perfect square? So 1, then 4, then 9, we can write everything. Next what? Next 16, next 25, next 36, next 49, all are perfect square. Next 64, then 81, it means 9 times 9, then 100, then 121, then 144. All are perfect square, and we know perfect square have an odd numbers of factor. So 9 if you find, you will get 3 factor. 16 you will get 5. How? We can check this one. 16 we can write 1 times 16, we can write 2 times 8, we can write what? Then we can write 4 times 4. So 4 is a repeat number, so we will take 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a odd, and here is a 5 factor. 5. Then 36. 36, it's a 9 factor. So how 36 become 9 factor? We can check this one. We already calculate, but for you again we can do it. 1 times 36, then 2 times 18, then 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 5 not possible, 6 times 6. So look, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9. So similar, 49 has 3 factor, then 64 has 7 factor, then 81 have 5 factor, 100 is a 9 factor, 121 has 3 factor, and 144 has 15 factor. But why we will not continue? Because if you take 13 times 13 is a 169, but 169 is more than 150. Our question to take 150, which is p is the number of factors of an integer smaller than 150. Now look, what is the set? Set is, look, here is a 1, here is a 3. These 3 we will not take any repeat number. So 1, 3, 5, then 9, then 7, then 15, right? So we can write 1, 3, 5, then 7, then 9, and finally what? 15. We will not take any repeat number, and everything is a odd number, and which is what? Smaller than 150. So this is our question answer, number A, number B, number C, done. So please let me know you have any problem or not in the number C. Number D, here mentioned Q such that Q equals to 3n plus 2, and n is an element of Z, which is integer, and n value is 5 less or equal n and 9 greater or equal n. So first we have to substituting value for n. So we can write substituting value for n. Okay, so here is once n equals to 5, that time Q equals to 3n times n means 3n means 5 plus 2. 3 times 5 is a 15, 15 plus 2 is a 17. N equals to 6, so Q equals to 3 times 6 plus 2, it means 18 plus 2, 20, right? Then we will take n equals to 7, so Q equals to 3 times 7 plus 2, it means 3 times 7 is a 21, 21 plus 2 is a 23, right? Then we can take 8, so Q equals to 3 times 8 plus 2, it means 3 times 2 is a 24 plus 2 is a 26, and finally n equals to 9. Q equals to 3 times 9 plus 2, 3 times 9 is a 27, 27 plus 2 is a 29, and this is our answer. So our set D equals to what? 17, 20, 23, 26, 29. Okay, so no more today. We are trying to solve number 4, which is use set notation to list the members of the following sets. I hope all the questions are very easy, especially number C. You have to keep concentration more. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.